Okay, so we're exporting from Audacity. I want to make sure that it's going to the right spot. I'm just going to save it right here on the desktop. And I want to make sure to choose other uncompressed. By default, this program, since it's an audio program, it wants to make song. So these are all song file extensions, MP3 you may recognize. But we're going to do other uncompressed, and we're going to choose raw headerless because that is a type that Photoshop will see. And it looks like whenever I change it to raw headerless, it adds this file extension. Just go ahead and delete that file extension if that happens. That may or may not happen. You'll just have to pay attention. But anyway, now I'm going to rename my file here. I'm going to call it invert echo, and I'm going to do camel caps, just like the file I just deleted there. But this will replace that. So cool. And then also it's asking me about the adding metadata to my file. I don't want to do that. It may add stuff to the raw image that distorts it. So I'm just going to leave this blank. Cool. So there's my file. It's actually the same one I just deleted. And I'm going to show you how to get it into Photoshop. So open up Photoshop, just like this. And you're going to go to File, Open. All right, and then you're going to find your file on the desktop. There it is. It's not going to load a preview because there's no preview information included with the file, so it's raw. So we are going to try and get it in here and see what it looks like. This is a good sign if your file comes in and it's got your dimensions, the dimensions of your file that are actually correct. That's a good sign. This may just be because I just exported the file from Photoshop, so it could be a coincidence. I don't know exactly why it's happening, but if it's not there, if the number's not there, you know what it is because it's in the file name from the JPEG. Another thing that changes is the channels. Don't mess with that. It may alter the file in some way. So whatever this comes in as, just leave it and see what happens. If it doesn't work, you can try changing some of this stuff. But I'm just going to say OK. And there it is. So there's the invert and the echo. And there's the inverted echo. So it looks like it worked. That's pretty cool. Once you've got, you can see your file that you've edited in Audacity. You're then going to save this as a JPEG and just save it with the same name that you gave it in Audacity so that you have a clean new picture file of your Audacity glitch.